Hi everyone, I think this is something that all of you should know. It's my personal experience. I had this severe giddiness and everybody told me I must be having vertigo. So I thought it must be some eye problem. So I went to the dentist, I went to the eye clinic, and finally I said, no, let me go back to Dr. Stephen because he's the one whom I've known for the last 10 plus years. So I thought I should come to him and meet him. And he just checked my ear and he only said, get your vitamin checked. He didn't prescribe anything else. He said, get your vitamin checked and then I will treat you because I feel there's something vitamin deficiency. Get your vitamin D3 and B12 checked, and like he rightly said, I got my vitamin D3 checked and it was really low. It's supposed to be at 100, it was at 22, and that giddiness and everything. And in fact, the day that I came to meet him, he was saying something, but I was actually not even in my conscious to know what he was trying to tell me. But the day he gave me that injection, the same day, I think I just recouped back 50%. And then with the tablets that he's been giving me for the last 10 days, and now I'm on vitamin D3 injections as 5 doses, I'm like, I think I should say I'm 95.5% really back to my old, what I was. And all thanks to Dr. Stephen for this.
Sulaimani, Professor, Saudi Arabia. We heard a lot about Dr. Stephen, and absolutely that everybody was telling me, no, don't go, try to go to UK, go to France, go to US. That's where the advanced technology, that's where advanced medical is there. But when I heard about Dr. Stephen, I feel I'm the luckiest person today that I came, and visited him. Nobody has ever told me since 1996 that the major problem I have with my hearing, it has to something relates to my sinuses. This is the first time I hear it since 30 years or 25 years. Dr. Stephen has assured me that my hearing loss will go back, inshallah, by 80 to 90%. He will do a dual surgery, one related to sinuses and the other one related to my ear. So hopefully, inshallah, my hearing will be fixed once and for all, and I will feel like a person with 25 years old.
Anthony Sunil. I had been filled with the polyps and D3 deficiency. Dr. Stephen has done excellent surgery. It took more than 1 hour to 2 hours. I'm feeling much better than I can breathe easily.
Hi everyone, I'm Vandana. I'm working as a software engineer. Recently, came to Dr. Stephen sir for my ear pain. He suggested me vitamin D. I have been taking that for about 1.5 months. I have been seeing a lot of improvement in my health. Even my hair fall is reduced. I have been more active. Before I was a little bit feeling depressed and all, but I have been very well and I'm so thankful that he gave me.
என் பேர் அருண். ரொம்ப ட்ரெஸ்ட்டில் ட்ரிங்க்ஸ் பண்ணிவிட்டு ரொம்ப பிரச்சனையில் இருந்தேன். நோஸ் ப்ளீடிங் ப்ராப்ளமில் ரொம்ப பிரச்சனையில் இருந்தேன். டிவைன் ஹாஸ்பிட்டலுக்கு வந்தேன். டிவைன் ஹாஸ்பிட்டலுக்கு வந்து ஸ்டீஃபன் சாரை மீட் பண்ணேன். ஜஸ்ட் ஒன் சர்ஜரி அண்ட் டேப்லெட் அவர் கொடுத்த எல்லாமே இப்போது ஜஸ்ட் 1 வீக்கில் நான் இப்படி இருக்கிறேன். எனக்கு எந்த தாட்டும் இல்லை, ட்ரிங்க்ஸ் பண்ண தாட்டும் இல்லை, எதுவுமே இல்லை. வெறும் சாப்பிட்ணும், நல்லா ப்ரேயர் பண்ணோம், நல்லா இருக்கிறேன்.
I had some psychiatric issue from last 15 years. I had gone to various doctors, but nobody found out my problem. I did not have psychiatric issue. I came to Dr. Stephen and I told my problem. Immediately he put me on supplements and I'm taking supplements. After taking 1 day of supplement, I was really cured. I'm thinking he's really a human being in the form of God. That's what I can say. It's a real miracle it is.
Thank you.
So I've come here to meet Dr. Stephen. I think 4 years back, and since past 4 years, I've been really career focused, career driven. Never really thought about my health. Never really thought about how my health is deteriorating because of stress or because of not eating the right diet. And after having a few consultations with Dr. Stephen, I think I'm really concerned about my health. I'm really looking forward to it. He's really detailed about the biotic and probiotic and postbiotic journey of diet. I think it's really going to change me and I'm really looking forward to it and a step closer to my health now.
Morning one pinch and evening one pinch. I used to work up to morning from 8:30 to evening 8:30, but now I'm working from morning 8:30 to 11 o'clock. It's very healthy, it's good result. Thank you very much, sir.
You're supplemented, right?
Yeah, yes, sir.
ಸ್ಟೀಫನ್ ಸರ್ ತುಂಬ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯವರು. ನನಗೆ 25 ಇಯರ್ಸಿಂದ ಗೊತ್ತು. ತುಂಬ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಮನಸ್ಸಿದೆ, ಬಡವ್ರಿಗೆ ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತ ಮನಸ್ಸಿದೆ. ಎಕ್ಸಲೆಂಟ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಅವರು. ತುಂಬ ನಾಲೆಡ್ಜ್ ಇದೆ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಥರ ಐಡಿಯಾ ಇದೆ. ನನ್ನ ಲೈಫಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಥ ಒಬ್ಬ ಪರ್ಸನ್ನ ಒಂದು ಬೆರಳೆಣಿಕೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ಜನ ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
ನಿಮ್ದು
ಫಂಗಲ್ ಇನ್ಫೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. ಇವ್ರು ENT ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಆದ್ರೂ ನನಗೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಜೆಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. 5 years ಇಂದ ಸಫರ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ದೆ. இவர் எழுதுமேல 25-30 டேஸ்க்கு கியூர் ஆயிடுத்து.
வந்து காலையிலே விழுந்து நிற்க பார்க்கலீங்களா நீங்கள்?
என்னாச்சு?
அப்படிலாம் செய்யக்கூடாது வானாங்கன்னு தானே சொன்னீங்க நீங்கள். அவ்வளோ கஷ்டம், என்னை கையை பிடிச்சில கூப்பிட்டு வந்தாங்க. இப்போ பாருங்கள், நான் ஒண்டியாக போயிடுறேன். அவ்வளோ நல்லா இருக்குது இப்போ. ஆனால் இந்த தடவை நம்ம தப்ப மாட்டோம். அதனால தான் நான் வேணாப்பா, நான் சாருக்கிட்டே போயிடுறேன். அது சேலமே காது ஆப்ரேஷன் பண்ணுறேன்னாங்க. வேண்டாம், நான் அங்கேயே போயிடுறேன். உசுறு பொழைச்சிருந்தா அவர் காப்பாற்றி விட்டா வீடு வரேன், இல்லாட்டி செத்தாலும் பரவாயில்ல, நான் அவர்கிட்டே போயிடுறேன் அப்படின்ட்டேன். சிவாஜி கிட்ட கூட போன வாரத்தில் பேசினேன். பரவாயில்ல மாமா, நீ என்னோட ரொம்ப நண்பர் ஆகிட்ட டாக்டர்கிட்ட, அப்பப்போ பேசுறீங்களாட்டுங்குது அப்படின்றாரு.
So I met you like 15-16 days back, sir.
Okay. What did I put you on?
You've put me on D3 tablets.
Any other supplement I gave you?
No, only vitamin D3 tablets, 3-4. And that has really helped my anxiety to calm down.
Swami, who is a military man, you want to say something to you all. Say so.
I am Rangasamy. I am an ex-army officer. Now I was taking under the medication under the medical treatment in Solalla. Under the medical treatment, Dr. Stephen advised me to take D3. After taking treatment, when I was, that means previous days. Nowadays I am very perfect. I am healthy. I myself thinking, that means I am having a full with energy, like a army period, like a army soldier. Really, I am very glad. That means I advise to people, whenever that means feel this type of problem, they can take, that means vitamin D3.
Good.
What prescribed Dr. Stephen.
Husband D3 was deficient. Only with that, my Dr. Stephen had given the supplements. With that, all the parameters of my husband has become normal.
ट्रीटमेंट से मुझे बहुत बेटर हुआ, एनर्जी आई बॉडी में. वो साल्ट खाने से मेरे टंग में टेस्ट आया और मुझे खाना खाने मन कर रहा है और खाना भी खा रही हूँ. पहले बहुत मुझे ये था प्रॉब्लम खाने का. मेरी टंग भी अच्छी हो गई है.